In today's digital age, the opportunity to make money online has never been more accessible, and one of the most innovative tools at your disposal is Canva AI. This powerful design platform not only simplifies the creative process, but also opens up a world of possibilities for monetizing your skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, a social media manager, or simply someone with a flair for creativity, Canva AI can help you turn your talents into a profitable venture. Imagine creating stunning visuals for businesses, designing eye-catching social media posts, or even crafting unique marketing materials, all from the comfort of your home. With Canva AI's user-friendly interface and advanced features, you can produce professional quality designs in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Leveraging technology like Canva AI is crucial in today's fast-paced economy. It allows you to stand out in a crowded marketplace and offers a flexible way to generate income. By harnessing the power of this innovative tool, you can not only enhance your creative skills, but also build a sustainable online business. So, let's dive deeper into how you can start making money online with Canva AI and unlock your potential for financial freedom. Canva AI is a cutting-edge design tool that combines artificial intelligence with user-friendly features to revolutionize the way we create visual content with stunning results. At its core, Canva AI offers a range of functionalities that simplify the design process, making it accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals. With features like smart layout suggestions, automated resizing, and a vast library of templates, users can quickly generate stunning graphics without needing extensive design skills. One of the standout aspects of Canva AI is how it enhances user experience and productivity. The platform's AI-driven capabilities analyze your design preferences and suggest elements that align with your style, saving you time and effort. This means you can focus more on creativity and less on the technicalities of design. Additionally, the drag-and-drop interface allows for seamless customization, enabling users to experiment with different elements effortlessly. Moreover, Canva AI is designed with accessibility in mind. Its intuitive layout and comprehensive tutorials make it easy for beginners to jump right in, while advanced features cater to professionals looking to refine their craft. Whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or marketing materials, Canva AI empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease and efficiency. Creating and selling digital products has become a lucrative way to generate income, and Canva AI makes this process easier than ever. There are various types of digital products you can create, including ebooks, templates, and printables. Each of these products caters to different audiences and needs, allowing you to tap into diverse markets. To design these products using Canva AI, start by selecting a template that aligns with your vision. For ebooks, you can choose from a variety of layouts that facilitate easy reading and engagement. For templates, whether they are for social media posts or business presentations, Canva AI offers customizable options that save you time. Printables, such as planners or art prints, can be designed with vibrant graphics and personalized touches, ensuring they stand out. Once your digital products are ready, it's essential to choose the right platforms for selling them effectively. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify provide user-friendly interfaces for showcasing your products. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms can help you reach a broader audience. By promoting your digital products through engaging posts and targeted ads, you can drive traffic to your store and boost sales. With Canva AI, the possibilities for creating and selling digital products are endless. If you're looking to offer design services using Canva AI, setting up a freelance design business can be both rewarding and profitable. The first step is to define your niche. Determine what type of design services you want to provide, whether it's social media graphics, branding, or marketing materials. Once you have a clear focus, create a business plan outlining your services, pricing, and target audience. Building a portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skills and attracting clients. Use Canva AI to create stunning examples of your work. Design a variety of pieces that highlight your versatility and creativity. Make sure to include different styles and formats to appeal to a broader audience. A well-curated portfolio not only demonstrates your capabilities but also instills confidence in potential clients. Marketing your design services effectively is key to attracting clients. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn to showcase your designs and connect with potential customers. Consider creating engaging content that highlights your design process or shares tips related to your niche. Networking within online communities and participating in design forums can also help you gain visibility. By leveraging Canva AI and implementing these strategies, you can grow your freelance design business. Creating social media content that drives engagement is essential for building a strong online presence. Various types of content perform exceptionally well, including eye-catching graphics, informative videos, and interactive polls or quizzes. Posts that tell a story or evoke emotions tend to resonate more with audiences, encouraging likes, shares, and comments. Canva AI can significantly streamline the content creation process, making it easier to produce high-quality visuals quickly. With its vast library of templates and design elements, you can create stunning graphics tailored to your brand's aesthetic. The AI features can suggest layouts and color schemes that align with your content goals, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling messages rather than getting bogged down in design details. Branding and consistency are crucial in social media marketing. Establishing a cohesive visual identity helps your audience recognize your content instantly. Use consistent colors, fonts, and imagery across all your posts to reinforce your brand message. Canva AI allows you to save brand kits, ensuring that every piece of content you create aligns with your established branding guidelines. By combining engaging content types with streamlined design processes and a strong brand identity, you can effectively drive engagement and grow your social media following. Creating and selling online courses has become a popular way to share knowledge and generate income, and Canva AI can be a valuable tool in this process. The first step is to outline your course materials. Identify the key topics you want to cover and break them down into modules or lessons. This structured approach will help you create a clear learning path for your students. Once you have your outline, you can begin designing your course materials using Canva AI. The platform offers many templates for presentations, workbooks, and infographics, allowing you to create visually appealing content that enhances the learning experience. With Canva AI's intuitive design features, you can easily customize your materials to match your branding and style. When it comes to hosting and selling your online course, several platforms can help you reach your audience effectively. Websites like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy provide user-friendly interfaces for course creation and management. These platforms also offer marketing tools to help you promote your course. Using Canva AI for your course visuals not only saves time, but also ensures that your materials are professional and engaging. High-quality visuals can significantly enhance the learning experience, making your course more appealing to potential students. By combining these elements, you can successfully create and sell an online course that resonates with your audience. In this video, we explored innovative ways to make money online using Canva AI, highlighting its versatility as a powerful design tool. We discussed how you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, and printables, as well as offer design services that cater to various client needs. Additionally, we delved into the process of creating engaging social media content and building online courses, all while leveraging Canva AI's user-friendly features to streamline your workflow. The potential for you to start your own ventures is immense. Whether you're looking to freelance, sell digital products, or educate others through online courses, Canva AI equips you with the tools necessary to succeed. Please look in this video's description for links to helpful AI video tools and courses. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on making money online. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these strategies. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.